When it comes to improving the value of your home, there are many updates and upgrades you can make, but one of the most effective investments you can make is window installation. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient ones can not only make your home more comfortable but also increase its market value. In Love's Park, where temperatures can vary significantly between seasons, installing new windows is an investment that can pay off in both the short and long term. Here's how window installation can increase your home's value and make it stand out in the competitive Love's Park real estate market. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter, and when it comes to real estate, curb appeal plays a significant role in attracting potential buyers. Old, worn-out windows can detract from your home's exterior, making it look tired or outdated. In contrast, modern windows give your home a fresh, updated appearance, enhancing its overall aesthetic and making it more attractive to visitors and buyers alike. Installing stylish, energy-efficient windows, whether sleek and modern casement windows or elegant double-hung windows, immediately improves your home's curb appeal. Choosing the right style and color of windows that complements your home's architecture ensures that the exterior looks polished and inviting, increasing the overall desirability of your property. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Energy efficiency is a key factor for many potential buyers, and it's a significant selling point when it comes to increasing the value of your home. Homes with energy-efficient features, such as double or triple pane windows with low E coatings, are more appealing to buyers who are conscious of utility costs and want to save money on heating and cooling. In Love's Park, where winters can be cold and summers can get hot, having windows that provide proper insulation is crucial. By installing energy-efficient windows, you reduce drafts, maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, and lower heating and cooling costs. As a result, your home becomes more attractive to buyers who see the long-term savings in energy bills. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows can fetch higher prices and sell faster, making window installation a valuable investment in your home's marketability. Noise reduction. Love's Park residents enjoy suburban tranquility, but depending on your location, noise pollution from nearby roads, schools, or businesses can be a concern. Modern windows with advanced soundproofing capabilities, such as double or triple pane glass, significantly reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home. This added benefit of noise reduction enhances the comfort of your living space, creating a peaceful and quiet environment inside. For buyers looking for a retreat from the hustle and bustle, windows that reduce noise pollution can be a major selling point. Homes with quieter, more peaceful interiors tend to be more desirable, particularly for families, remote workers, and those living near busy streets or in urban areas. Therefore, window installation not only boosts energy efficiency but also contributes to an overall sense of comfort and tranquility, making your home more appealing to potential buyers. Enhanced security. Windows are one of the main entry points for burglars, and outdated or damaged windows can pose a security risk. If you're looking to increase your home's value, it's essential to install windows that provide a higher level of security. Modern windows come equipped with reinforced glass, multi-point locking systems, and durable frames that offer better protection against break-ins. When buyers see that your home is equipped with high-quality, secure windows, they feel reassured knowing that the property has been updated with modern security features. This can increase your home's appeal and add to its value, as security is a key concern for many homeowners. Increased natural light and better ventilation. New window designs not only improve your home's energy efficiency and security but also enhance the natural light and ventilation within your living space. Larger windows, or those with improved functionality such as casement or sliding designs, allow for more sunlight to filter through, brightening up your home and creating a more open, airy feel. Natural light makes a space feel larger and more welcoming, which is an attractive feature for potential buyers. In addition to light, modern windows are designed to improve airflow and ventilation, making your home more comfortable without relying solely on air conditioning or heating. Increased natural light and better ventilation can elevate your home's overall ambiance, contributing to a positive buyer experience and increasing the overall appeal of your property. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Older windows often require significant upkeep, such as repainting, caulking, and repair work. Over time, this maintenance adds to the cost of owning the home. Modern windows, however, are designed to be durable and require less maintenance. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames, for example, are resistant to rotting, warping, and fading, which means they won't need frequent repairs or upkeep. For potential buyers, the promise of low-maintenance windows is an attractive feature. Knowing they won't have to worry about the expense and effort of maintaining old, inefficient windows gives buyers peace of mind and adds to your home's overall value. Low-maintenance features are a key selling point in today's market, where many buyers are looking for hassle-free living. Increased home value and return on investment. Ultimately, one of the most significant benefits of window installation is the increase in your home's value. According to home improvement experts, replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient models can offer an impressive return on investment (ROI). Depending on the type of windows and materials used, you can expect to recoup a significant portion of the installation costs when you sell your home. In Love's Park, where buyers are increasingly focused on energy efficiency, aesthetics, and low-maintenance features, window installation is one of the best ways to increase your home's resale value and attract more buyers. Conclusion. Window installation is one of the most impactful home improvements you can make to increase the value of your property in Love's Park. From enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, noise reduction, security, and natural light, new windows offer numerous benefits that make your home more desirable to potential buyers. With the added advantages of low maintenance and long-term durability, window replacement is an investment that not only improves the comfort of your home but also provides a significant return when it's time to sell.